Hi, welcome to the NFPA LiNK YouTube channel. This page is dedicated to answering key questions you have related to electrical and life safety. With easy-to-use digital access to NFPA codes and standards, NFPA LiNK is your window to productivity. Today, we'd like to answer the question of why the elements of the structural firefighting ensemble need to be retired after 10 years. If you're in the fire service, you may have heard that your fire gear needs to be retired after 10 years of service, but you're not sure where that requirement comes from. From your initial fire training, you know that NFPA 1851 deals with the care and maintenance of fire gear. To locate that in LiNK, we can click on View All Publications and search by the title or the number. 1851 brings up the standard on selection, care, and maintenance of protective ensembles for firefighting and proximity firefighting. Clicking on the standard brings up the table of contents. Scrolling through, we look to locate the retirement section. Chapter 10 deals with retirement, disposition, and special incident procedures. Clicking on that chapter brings up the requirements. As we scroll through the retirement section, we see that in 10.1.2, structural firefighting ensembles and ensemble elements need to be retired after no more than 10 years from the date the ensembles were manufactured. For more insight into why that requirement exists, we can click on 10.1.2 as it has an asterisk and there's annexed material. As we see, this retirement of structural ensemble elements after 10 years has been a discussion in many technical committee meetings. It was identified through the experience in the fire service that after 10 years, elements need to be retired as they're not meeting the requirements they were originally designed for. We hope that provided some insight into why the elements of the structural firefighting ensemble need to be retired after 10 years. For more information about how NFPA LiNK gives you the knowledge you need to get the job done right, visit nfpa.org/link.